I saw the glint of gold on a wind-worn road. I saw it twisted back, bent beneath the heavy load. I'll throw all your diamonds away, they won't mean nothing when the angels lift our eyelids in the morning. Oh, this night might be the worst for the freezing birds, waiting for the sun to come and warm the icy earth. But they'll take their weary heads out from underneath their wings when the angels lift our eyelids in the morning. And their lonely towers told their bells at the witch's hours, and watch orange eyes ablaze vanish into the alleyways, and snowstorms in our TV sets, and black forests beneath our beds. They lie in wait where no one hears to play the drums inside our ears when the bottoms of the clouds all start turning red. There's a bird up on a branch swaying wildly in my head, just waiting for the sun, for another chance to sing. When the angels lift our eyelids in the morning, when the angels lift our eyelids in the morning, when the angels lift our eyelids in the morning.